Welcome to this beautiful park-facing home in the heart of Villebois and close to all of its many amenities, from parks and walking trails to the community center. Heading inside, the grand entry leads to the spacious living room with a gas fireplace and gorgeous wood floors throughout. The kitchen is built for entertaining with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, subway tile, a walk-in pantry, coffee bar, and extra workspace. The main level office or fourth bedroom is located next to a full bath. Upstairs holds the large primary bedroom with ensuite and a walk-in closet. Enjoy beautiful double sinks, a soaking tub, and a large shower. And the laundry room has plenty of storage. You'll find a multi-use loft space and 2 more bedrooms. Plus another full bath on this level. Relax or entertain on the deck in your private fenced backyard. Within just steps of the front door is a neighborhood park, and it's surrounded by walking and biking trails, plus all the fun and activities that come with a highly desirable Villebois neighborhood. It's all here on Madrid Loop and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.